Okay, guys, welcome to the welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to wire up Ethernet plugs using this modular clipper, plug clipper. And the CAT6 is already here. RJ45s are here. This is the RJ45s. The path through RJ45s. Those are the ones. Then we have the bots. They're called the bots. So for those who don't know how the Ethernet works, you can check on our videos down there. Subscribe to our channel. Everything will be okay. So let's start by moving this. Minute. Yeah. Then you remove this, put it aside. So this network cable consists of four twisted wires. So in total there are 8. So each pair is color coded. Each pair, this one's color coded, each is color coded. So let's snip off this plastic inside the cable. Then we untwist. This. So right now, what's next? We have to untwist these wires. You have to untwist all the 4 wires. Then run them need to run them long. It's the remaining one. Then what we are going to do right now is to arrange them in their color order following the T568B. So you can fit them in the plug. You can Google the T56B wiring diagram. Use this because of use the wiring diagram of T568B because it's the most widely used one. So here we're done. So we are trying to arrange them in their colors. Let's start with this is green, it's white green. This is white green, following this because it's already on my clipper. don't worry. But anyway, before doing all this, we need to put our boat inside. So that's our boat. Put it. Let me try to that. Cut it again. So now follow this color code. This is white green, then solid green, this is white orange, that's white orange. But next, solid blue, that's solid blue, then white blue, white blue, solid orange, then white brown, then solid orange, trying to straighten it. They need to be straight. Then after, cut them short. Then you need to see the colors, whether they're okay. That's white, green, solid green, white, orange, solid blue, white, blue, solid orange, white, brown, then solid brown. Then we get our RJ45. We need to make them straight. Then push it slowly. Slowly. And you see, we need to check the colors still. That's white, green, solid green. Colors are okay. So we're going to insert it in our clipping tool, 8B RJ45. Push it. So it's going to tighten our Ethernet cable, but not only tightening it, but even cutting it. It's going to cut these remaining wires. Just need to, are you seeing? When I push it, just need to push it like something like rub it. It's okay. Yeah. you turn it, it's okay. Now then you push the bolt. All done. So we're going to do the same even this side. Same thing. Colors. Right, green. Sorry, green. Then sorry, orange. The white, orange. Sorry,